refuses to believe that you are gone forever, filled with sorrow, bathed in tears. I live through this final moment, tinged with sadness. Even if I don't believe, even if I don't accept, you must walk this. It is the only way to go. It is the only way to find encouragement, and so draws to a close the longest story of your life. Memories come flooding back of the trials we endured. Is so complaining the notes of your music. Come back to me, I say, if only it were still possible. Your place here is now empty and desolate. I wish so much that you were here, but it is a dream. Nothing more thing can be